Good day. Today, at the Presidential Palace hosted the 2025 Presidential Lecture Series. The event brought together distinguished guests, government officials, academics, and members of the diplomatic community. The President of the Republic, José Ramos Horta, delivered his opening remarks before formally commencing the lecture.
We will be very pleased to hear both, and Ambassador Edward Lee, very distinguished, well-known and diplomat. The title you've seen here, Navigating Calm and Rough Seas, the State of the World. Well, I hope Ambassador Kishore will clarify the state of the world to us, and Ambassador Lee, Singapore experience, partnership for Timor-Leste, hopefully seamless integration into ASEAN 2045 vision, opportunities and collaborative pathways.
The keynote address was delivered by Professor Kishore Mahbubani, a renowned scholar and former diplomat known for his expertise in global affairs and Asia's strategic role in the 21st century.
In one way or another, the world is moving forward, the world is getting better, and we will sail along. We will have ups and downs, but things will get better. But clearly, over the next certainly 10 to 20 years, things will be very difficult.
His speech explored pressing geopolitical challenges and opportunities for small nations in the evolving international order. Ambassador Edward Lee presented a featured lecture that offered diplomatic insights and perspectives on strengthening international partnerships and fostering sustainable development in Timor-Leste.
ASEAN has been adaptable to the changes in the world. Nationalism alone has not provided or fulfilled the expectations by way of a happier life, a more fruitful life, better living standards to our countries and for our peoples. This realization has grown and therefore is necessary if we are really to be successful in giving life to ASEAN, to marry national thinking with regional thinking. If we are not going to do that, then regionalism remains an utopia.
The lecture series aims to promote intellectual exchange and strategic dialogue, providing a platform for high-level discussions that can help shape Timor-Leste's policies and engagement on the global stage. From the Presidential Palace, I'm Digna Serão with Francisco Soni, reporting for TATOLI.